So, hi to everyone. I have a engine light on my car and I have a code P0135 O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 1. So I have my old O2 sensor here, as you can see. This is the old. I cut it off so I can do a ohms test. So I have my multimeter here, which is pointed to the ohms. So I don't know if I could give this a try. Let's see. So right now, this is the two heater. I think blue is positive, white is negative, and the two black ones are the heater wire for the heater circuit for the O2 sensor. So let's put the two either side, no problem. So let's see if I can find any reading on my. So look, it doesn't change even if I put what's this, even if there, one to the negative, one to the positive, the two black wire, it doesn't change. This is for the old one. Let's try, as I have bought a new one, and let's see. So this is the new one. It's Denso brand, as I have a Toyota Alphard. I cut the wires already for the black wires. This one. Let's put and let's see. Just a moment. So the current reading, if the multimeter is pointed to the ohms, the reading is 1. So if it doesn't have any problem, as far as I'm concerned, because I watch on YouTube, it should change to, the reading should change. It doesn't stay to 1. So let's see. Look, multimeter's reading changed to 000. Two black wires, the new one. So if I will remove one, let's see. Disconnect the one. See, change to 1. I will put it